Hi guys, with another video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this multimeter, digital multimeter. What happened? This was the this cable. It was inside, and now it's broken, so it doesn't work. So this is the same thing. What we're gonna do now? Uh, so I will take this part, right? This is the part that I will take it, like pull it, and as you see, pull that. And what I'm gonna do, I have a copper. This is the copper. I'm gonna use it instead of using this. I will use this copper. What are you gonna do? You will push the inside right there. Oh, sorry, from here. So, from this side, and just push it. And what is gonna happen? This is gonna come this side, as you see. Push it a little bit more. Well, doesn't come out, but it should come out from this hole. And I will solder. I'm gonna take it out the cables from here and solder together and push it inside this guy. Alright, once again you measure, make it a little smaller than this plastic, and you're gonna push this much, like this much, then cut it somewhere here. Then we're gonna solder that. Okay guys, now this is the copper wire, and I will use this. So it's so simple. Let's go ahead and do it. Hold on a minute. So what we're gonna do with this thin copper, like so thin, you will tie it on top of that right here, right there. Right there. Yeah. Sorry guys, a little bit. Right there. As you see, like right there. Just tied it. Tied it like that. Right there. See? Like that. Like that. Then we're gonna solder that part. We're gonna do the other one too. This is red. We'll do the black one too. So yeah. This is the way. Now, yep. Yeah, it's gonna take a little while, but I think it's worth it. This is the way. Good. Then just break it. Alright. Now let's go ahead. This is the one. Then we will solder with this solder. I have a with iron. This is the iron that I am gonna heat it now. Let's see here the outlet. Let me put here. Okay. Then it should get hot. Then after that I will solder it. Okay, let me put somewhere safe here. Somewhere here. Okay, we don't need this, so we need this. Okay, this is the red side and this is the black side. Let me take it out the wire a little bit, then we can do the same exactly the other. Okay, a little bit more. Alright, twist that. This. Then do like this. Now this is the one that's gonna get soldered. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me get a little bit of this cable. Come on. Okay. Let me not waste your time. Hold. So as you see, this is the way again. You just tightening right there. With the thinner cable. This is copper too. So that's it. That's it. Nah, just enough. Yeah, that's enough. So this is black, this is white, as you see. Now we're gonna go ahead and solder. Let's see. Oh, this is the iron. I have a flex. This is the one I'm gonna put it a little bit, and yeah, right there. Get a little bit here. Yeah, then get the solder. This is the solder. Get solder here. Go right there. As you see, yeah, this is the way it is. Just solder here very nicely. Also exactly. Okay. As you see, that's it. Yeah, this is okay. Now the other one. Let's do the other one. This is the guy. This is the guy. Now we're gonna do it. What we're gonna do, get the little flux from here and get it, and put it on top of this here. Okay, that's it. Then soldering time. Okay. Alright. Soldering time. Okay. So yeah. Soldering time is over. Yeah, this is the way. Good. This is done too, and then okay. You just make it a little bit stronger, maybe. Right here, right here. Yeah. Alright. Okay, guys. This is the guy, like this. Now what will we do? This is done. Let me put this away. What you do now, this is the guy. This is the one that's red, right? What you do, just from this side, pushing right there, push in, yeah, you're gonna push it a little harder, hold it. So what I did, I pushed with the plier and it come all the way here, look, as you see. Then as you see, this side is moving. The hole is so big. And what else you can do, just get the glue gun and put little glue here. And what's gonna be, then it's not gonna move, and it's gonna be solid. Then yeah, everything is gonna be okay. You can use it again. Also, this again, I just want to remind that this way, this is, as you see, it's sharper, or it's, you can do the same thing. This one, what are you gonna do? If you have a file, just file it, make it sharper. And or you can sandpaper. If you have a sandpaper, and then you can use the sandpaper. So overall, this is the one. You can use it again. All right. Take care. Bye bye.